If you are in trouble with your coughs that increase with the arrival of the winter months, if you cannot get rid of chronic cough and cannot find a cure for your throat that hurts when you cough, you are in the right place. Because in this video, we will share information that will help you get rid of this problem in a very short time. Many of you have heard about the types and benefits of molasses. However, molasses has such unknown benefits that when you hear it, you will want to consume it immediately and benefit from these properties. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video before moving on to the video. If you're ready, let's move on to the video. Molasses is a good source of energy, carbohydrates and sugar. In addition to these properties, it contains many vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, niacin, vitamin B3, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, thiamine, vitamin B1, and riboflavin, or B2. It also contains essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium. It offers benefits for problems related to obesity, diabetes, stress, prostate enlargement, acne, and other skin diseases. In addition, it has been scientifically proven that molasses improves bone and hair health, protects electrolyte balance, sexual health, nervous system functioning, and accelerates wound healing. Let's take a closer look at some of the benefits of molasses. A mixture of molasses and lemon. Molasses and lemon, which are medicinal foods, provide the body with a drug-like effect when combined. One of the biggest benefits of mixing molasses and lemon is the ability of lemon to bind iron. You can consume this mixture as you would a medicine. If you want to benefit from the benefits of molasses and lemon, it is useful to take this recipe for NAT. Squeezing lemon into molasses and consuming it is an extremely beneficial practice. This duo provides effects from iron deficiency to the treatment of severe cough. Preparing this recipe is also very easy. Before moving on to the molasses and lemon mixture recipe, let's briefly talk about the benefits with its types and then move on to the recipe. The benefits of molasses. Compared to other sugars and sweeteners, molasses contains high levels of antioxidants. The antioxidant protects the body against oxidative damage associated with various disorders and degenerative diseases. This makes molasses a better alternative to refined sugar for most people. Relieves menstrual cramps. Molasses is a good source of iron and is very effective for women with iron deficiency due to blood loss to control their menstrual periods. Compared to other sources of fat, such as red meat, molasses is a better alternative to contribute iron to the body. It helps in reducing body weight. It has been explained that the polyphenols in molasses have antioxidant effects that can be effective in reducing obesity and losing weight. It improves sexual health. Black mulberry molasses is rich in minerals and manganese, which are thought to aid in the healthy production of sex hormones. Manganese plays a vital role in the functioning of the nervous system, preventing blood clots and producing energy from carbohydrates. Manganese deficiency can cause infertility, general fatigue, and weakened bones. It makes bones healthy. Molasses is a good source of calcium. Calcium plays an important role in maintaining bone health, the functioning of enzymes, and the function of cell membranes. In addition to maintaining healthy teeth, it plays a major role in protecting the body against bone diseases that are common during menopause. It contains anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of molasses make it a reliable ingredient to alleviate such ailments. How to prepare molasses and lemon cure. Materials: 3 tablespoons of molasses. It can be grape, carob, mulberry, or any other natural molasses of your choice. Freshly squeezed juice of half a lemon and a little less than 1 glass of drinking water. Preparation of: first, add 3 tablespoons of molasses and half a lemon juice to a glass of water and mix. Then add drinking water to the rest of the glass and mix again and consume. It is very easy to apply this mixture, which is so practical to prepare. In order to benefit from the mixture, you can drink this molasses and lemon mixture that you prepared on an empty stomach 2 times a day, in the morning and evening. You can apply this application 6 days a week and rest your body for 1 day. In this way, you can start to see the positive effects on anemia in a short time. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, which we include in molasses, has an antioxidant effect because it is rich in vitamin C, and it also provides molasses with almost 10 times more effect on the body. Some of the other benefits of molasses according to its types are as follows. Mulberry Molasses. It provides great benefits in patients with blood deficiency. It is good for ulcer. It provides relief in asthma and bronchitis patients. Increases body resistance in cold weather. It is a source of energy for athletes. It helps babies grow and develop. Children's intelligence plays an important role in its development. It is effective in mouth and throat diseases. Grape molasses. It increases the blood in the body. It gives energy to the body. It opens the appetite. It is very beneficial for the development of the baby when consumed while pregnant. It strengthens the stomach, intestines, and kidneys. It is good for arteriosclerosis. It relaxes the blood circulation. Rosehip molasses. It is good for respiratory tract infections. It gives vitality to the body. It cleans the blood. It is good for stomach cramps and digestive system problems. Carob molasses. It lowers cholesterol and balances blood pressure. It is beneficial for heart health. Increases sexual power and sperm count. It strengthens the body. It is very effective against anemia. It nourishes teeth and strengthens bones. It works the intestines. It is beneficial for children and pregnant women. Andes molasses. It is good for bronchitis, cough, jaundice, itching, eczema, and nausea. It provides support to the lungs and liver. It makes blood and gives energy to the body. Black mulberry molasses. Since it contains a high amount of iron, it is used as a supportive food in anemia. It increases breast milk. It relieves fatigue and excessive fatigue. It is effective in the treatment of mouth and throat infections. It cleans the blood and is recommended for anemia patients. It lowers and stabilizes blood pressure. It is beneficial against chronic digestive system disease. It increases gastric secretions. It regulates the digestive system. It strengthens hair and teeth. It can be used in the treatment of chronic gastritis and hepatitis. What you should pay attention to. If you have a condition that requires you to follow a special diet and you have high-impact drugs that you use regularly, you should consult your doctor before applying this mixture and act in accordance with his recommendations. If you have a sore throat and you are making a mixture of molasses and lemon to get rid of it, it would be better to use the drinking water you will use in a slightly warmer form, not at room temperature. In addition, the water should not be too hot, since you will add molasses to it. After applying this mixture, you should take care to stay away from foods and beverages containing caffeine, such as tea and coffee, within 2 hours. If you need to suppress your desire to eat sweets, you can consume molasses and lemon juice directly without mixing them into drinking water. It is enough to mix the juice of half a lemon into 2 tablespoons of molasses and consume. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss our current videos. See you for other videos. Goodbye.